Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you here. Just go down, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications here. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just come here to corporate here events, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, come here to push, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here corporate events enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.